I think the value of this conference is that it's bringing together so many top speakers, the chief executives of all the major media across film, television, advertising, production companies, and they really are people who have got digital success stories to tell, and I think there are a lot of lessons that can be learned.
Coming to things like this is always interesting because you get to meet people that you wouldn't normally meet. So it's always good to get our views across and share our philosophies with different sets of people.
I'm humbled to be on the panel today. It was incredible to be up there with YouTube and iPlayer and Redby and Torrent chairing, and then after us there's David from Channel 4, and it's an extraordinary lineup.
We had a really interesting conversation that sort of joined up the ad industry, the production sector and the broadcasters, talking about how data is starting to change the way we see things, the way we can help viewers to connect to audiences in new ways. I think as these industries kind of mould and converge in all sorts of new and interesting ways, I think it's increasingly important that we do talk to each other, and it was good that Dan Hagen came and Lindsay from ThinkBox, because we're all seeing these trends from different perspectives and we can share our experiences and learn from each other.
We provide insight and analytics and customer understanding to the Sky Group. The reason that we're at the summit today is how we can use the collection of granular, detailed viewing information to help provide insight into Sky, other broadcasters and other advertisers, to help them plan, place, create content as effectively and as efficiently as they can.
I think the value is when you get everybody together from across the business and have a discussion about issues. It's always valuable, and it's usually a good use of time to get one day out of the office and think a bit and exchange ideas, meet people, and there have been some interesting things that have been said, I think, this morning. I'd be happy to come back next year.
I'll be contributing to a panel called Connected Home. The Connected Home has happened. What is the next stage of development that we're going to be able to deliver to consumers?
It's a very wide topics of interest, and there is so much things to learn and to discover. But those summits enable us to meet with people with different skill sets and really gather the global picture.
All the people you would want to be at an event like this seem to be here. So I have really high hopes for the quality of the discussions and the talks that are going on today.
Being a sponsor of this show is hugely valuable for Air New Zealand. It's an opportunity for us to really create awareness around the fact that we travel daily to LA. Fantastic opportunity for us to showcase the product, and a really good opportunity for us to educate people that we are keen to involve ourselves as much as possible with the entertainment industry or the creative industry.
The value for all of the attendees is almost intangible, but I would say that for businesses like mine, professional services advisors working with the industry, this is an opportunity to make those connections, to understand where businesses need support, and frankly we all come away from a session like this knowing more people, knowing more about the industry, and well connected to drive change forward.
Coming from outside of London, it's great to be here in London and kind of meeting with a whole group of like-minded peers.
I really enjoyed the day. There was lots of variety in the speakers, some TV people, which was great.
So this is the first time we've run Creative Week, and it brings the whole of the media together, film, TV, advertising, and we've had great support from people who want to work in these sectors and do work in these sectors. So Creative Skills Set have supported our diversity initiative and questions around training and development in the industry. Sky IQ have been a brilliant partner around questions around insight and giving people more information about the audiences they serve. And we've had people like Air New Zealand who've come along who completely want to reach the creative community with their offering. So we've had some fantastic partners across the course of the week, and we're looking forward to working with them again next year, because we think this is an event that can be bigger and better as we develop it.